In this video, I'll show you how to change the bullet point color in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. From here, you want to click on the second option, which is Campaigns. Once you are on the campaign section, what you need to do is simply head over to the campaign in which you want to edit. This will be my email campaign. Now, on the right-hand side of that campaign, head over to the Action section, and from here, click on the Edit button. Now you'll be taken to the preview of your campaign. From here, head over to the fifth section, which is Content. And on the right-hand side of Content, click on the button to edit our design. Now, that will take you to the preview of your campaign. And from here, you want to simply head over to your bullet point. If you don't have a bullet point, I will make one for me. As you can see on this text, in order for you to create a bullet point, simply head over to the top bar. Once you select a text block, on the right-hand side of that, you will see the bulleted list. Simply select that. And once you do that, you can now have a bullet list. In order for you to change the color of the bullet list, there is two ways. The first way is by simply highlighting the start until the end of the bullet. At the top, head over to the first option of A and click on text color. Once you do that, you'll be able to change into a specific color and even specify the RGB and the hex code. Now, once you have your color, click on a random section, and as you can see, it will automatically change. What you can also do is only change the color of the bullet. In order for you to do that, what you need to do is simply head over to your bullet list. You want to delete the text on that list. Now that will leave you with the bullet. Once your bullet is empty, head over to the top, click on the first option again for text color. From here, you can set a random color. We will add red. And once we hover our mouse on a different section, as you can see, it will automatically change the color of the bullet. And if we add a text, it won't change the text color. As you can see, the text color as well as the bullet are different colors. Now, the reason why this works is because we only added the color within the bullet. Now, if you try and select the whole thing and change the color to the exact color of the bullet, as you can see, it will automatically change both of its colors. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.